Welcome to KR Educational Dunya. In this part 2, we are going to see some of the problems in AC circuits. So, a resistance of 30 ohms and a capacitance of 200 microfarad are connected in series across a 230 volts 50 Hz supply. Find number 1 current, number 2 phase angle, number 3 voltage across each element, number 4 active and reactive power. So what is the given data they have given? A resistance of 30 ohms, that is R equal to 30 ohms, and a capacitance of 200 microfarad. So C equal to 200 into micro means 10 power minus 6 farad are connected in series across 230 volts. So V equal to 230, 50 Hz. So frequency equal to 50 Hz. Find. So what to find? I, phase angle phi, and voltage across each element. So there are two elements: voltage across resistor, voltage across capacitance, and active power P and reactive power Q. These are the things you need to find out. And from the circuit, as it is a series circuit, so I have drawn the diagram. So 30 ohms is in series with the 200 microfarad connected in series with the alternate current, alternate voltage. So here this is the diagram, and then the voltage across resistance is VR, the voltage across capacitance is VC. Here first of all, see, the voltage across resistance is in ohms, the voltage across capacitance, see, the resistance units are ohms and the capacitance units are microfarad. So you need to convert into a resistance, that is ohms form. So for that one, capacitive reactance, you need to find out the XC across capacitance. So XC equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 pi FC and the units are ohms. So 1 by 2 pi, F is 50 and C is capacitance value 200 into 10 power minus 6, that is 15.92 ohms. Now the resistance value and XC value both are in ohms only. So now you can proceed. So impedance Z equal to, impedance is like total resistance, okay, total ohms value, right? So impedance Z equal to, there are two forms, rectangular form, polar form. Rectangular form means R plus JX. What is R? 30 plus JX. What is X value? 15.92 ohms. So J into XC value 15.92. And there is another form, that is polar form, that is under root 30 square, that is R square, plus XC square, that is 15.92 square. So for solving this problem and while doing multiplications, you have to go to polar form, multiplications or division, right? So under root 30 square plus 15.92 square. So you got the value of 33.96. Now the Z value is 33.96 ohms. This is not complete Z, okay, that is complete impedance. Next, I am finding phase angle. So phase angle means phi. What is the formula for phase angle? Phi equal to tan inverse minus XC by R. So tan inverse minus 15.92 by 30, that is minus 27.95 degrees. Okay, tan inverse, first you have to in brackets, first you have to do in brackets and use tan inverse, then you will get this value, and this is the angle. Now the actual impedance Z equal to 33.96 ohms angle 27.95 degrees. Like this you have to write for finding the impedance. And now the current value. Current means according to Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. But in AC circuits, R instead of R we are using Z because R, L, C components used to be there, right? So I equal to V by Z. So V value is 230 and Z value is 33.96. So you got 6.77 amps. Next, voltage across each element they are asking. So voltage across resistance VR equal to, according to Ohm's law, I into R. So what is I value? 6.77. What is R value? 30 ohms. So voltage across resistance equal to 203.18 volts. Next, voltage across inductance, VC equal to I into XC. So I is 6.77 and XC value is 15.92. So the resultant is 203.18 volts. So voltage, the resultant is 107.18, 107.78 volts. Now active power and reactive power also they have asked. So active power means the symbol is P equal to VI cos phi. So V we know 230 volts, I we know 6.77 into cos angle. What is the phi value here? Minus 27.92. So put minus 27.95. So cos in the calci, cos write on the value of phi, that is minus 27.95 plus equal to, you got the answer 0.88. After that into 6.77 into 230, you got active power value as 1375.48 watts, otherwise 1.375 kilowatt. Next, reactive power, the symbol is Q and the formula is VI sin phi. So V 230, I 6.77 into sin, again you have to put phi angle, phase angle, that is minus 27.95. So sin minus 27.95 in the calci, you will get minus 0.469 into 6.77 into 230, you will get minus 729.8, and the units for reactive power is volt ampere reactive. Okay. A circuit consists of a resistance of 100 ohms and capacitance of 200 microfarad, that is 200 into 10 power minus 6 farads, and inductor of 0.05 henries. All are connected in series. Okay. Now, if supply voltage is, that is V equal to 230 and frequency F equal to 50 Hz is applied to the ends of the circuit and everything is connected in series. So here if you observe the figure, 100 ohms and 200 microfarad and 0.05 henries. The voltage across resistance is VR, the voltage across capacitance is VC, the voltage across inductance is VL, and everything is connected in series with a AC voltage source, that is 230 volts 50 Hz. And calculate I, current I, voltage across each element VR, VC, VL, and phase angle phi, and power factor, that is cos phi. We need to find out these values. So first of all, as the resistance units are ohms and capacitance units are farads and inductance units are henries, everything should be changed into ohms. How you are going to change into ohms? For the solution, that is finding out XL and XC. So first I am finding out capacitive reactance. The formula is XC equal to 1 by 2 pi FC. So 1 by 2 pi into F value is 50 and C value is 200 into 10 power minus 6. So the XC equal to 15.915 ohms. Next, inductive reactance XL equal to 2 pi FL. So the units are ohms. So 2 pi into 50 into 0.05, 15.708 ohms. Now everything you got in terms of ohms. Now you can find out the values. First of all, we need to find out the reactance X value. So whichever value is more minus lesser value. If XC is more, XC minus XL. If XL is more, XL minus XC. So here if you observe carefully, XC value is more than XL. So reactance X equal to XC minus XL, that is 0.207 ohms. Now impedance Z, that is like total resistance. So under root R square plus X square, that is polar form. So R square is 100 square and X square is 0.207 square. So the value is 100 ohms. Next, phase angle phi equal to tan inverse X by R. So tan inverse, what is X? 0.207 by 100. So we got 0.119 as an angle phi. So total impedance Z equal to, you need to put the value 100 ohms and you need to put the angle also, angle 0.119 degrees, right? Next, current equal to I equal to V by Z, 230 by 100, that is 2.3 amps. Next, voltage across resistance equal to I into R, 2.3 into 100, 230 volts. Voltage across capacitance equal to I into XC, 2.3 into 15.915, 36.605 volts. Voltage across inductance I into XL, just like Ohm's law, right? 2.3 into 15.708, that is 36.1284 volts. Now voltage across each element we have found. Next, the final thing is cos factor, cos phi, that is power factor. Power factor equal to cos phi. So cos, what is the angle? Phase angle 0.119. So in the calci put cos 0.119 equal to, you got 0.9, but always you need to put whether it is leading or lagging or unity. How you are going to find out the leading, lagging or unity? By seeing which is greater. If XC is greater, you have to put leading. If XL is greater, you have to put lagging. If XC equal to XL or XL equal to XC, then you have to put unity. Okay, it is must and should to put to get more marks. So here XC value is more, so you have to put leading. How you are going to say? Current lags voltage in inductance, current leads voltage in capacitance, current is in phase with voltage in resistance. By knowing this, we are going to put this one here as XC is leading, right?